Hello, welcome back to another video, guys. In this video I'm going to go through C10, C800. There is a warning from the collision prevention assist, should we say. So if you're getting this and you are getting the warning on the cluster, which it shouldn't be now, but if you're getting the warning on there, what we would recommend is to use a high-end diagnostic tool like this. So go into the module. So we will turn the ignition off, and then go into it this way. Let's just quieten this one down, and then here you'll go into special function and teaching process. So you'll do reset and go ahead, and this will reset it, and you can just do a full scan and clear after. Okay, so it has done it. This is how we did it before. This is the King Boland K7, guys. The K10 will do the same, and the K9 as well. It is a brilliant piece of kit it's not expensive at all, to be fair. You can pick them up on Amazon. But yeah, if that warning does come up, then get into read fault codes. Here it is. Come back. Clear fault code. Yes. Okay. So you go back in. There it is. It's gone now. But yeah, you will get it. It usually comes up when you've hit a bomb, it's been in an accident. The lovely UK has a lot of potholes, so that will cause it mainly as well. Where they're stripping the front bumper sometimes, or stripping the rear bumper sensors, this will trigger it. Even the auxiliary battery, I think the rear, if I'm not mistaken, the auxiliary battery. So if you do unplug them and plug them back in, it will cause it. It's just typical Mercedes, it's very sensitive. That is what we would recommend you do. If you're using hotel, it'll be the same process. I've done them before. Snap on, similar really. But yeah, that's how you do it, guys. Eliminate it and done.